What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. I just got back from Houston for a 2-day look and learn, one in Houston and one in Fort Worth. I'm going to show you guys how that class went, and we'll touch on the 15K giveaway right after that. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my clips of the Houston trip. I want to tell you guys, it was a crazy moment. I got to teach a class with Get Beamed. It was honestly my first paid class. There was over 70 people there, packed house, sold out. It was something I definitely always wanted to do, but it was a crazy experience. You guys know I love teaching, but I've never done anything like that. It went really well. I was definitely pleased with it. I did do another look and learn the next day, guys, but unfortunately, for some reason, just the way the class was set up, we didn't give very many clips. So if you guys want to see something about that class, you want to check it out, see what it's like, my brother Jay Blends did drop a recap video, and I'll put it in the card up above, so you guys check that video out if you want. But anyway, let's move on to the 15K giveaway. All right, so if you guys have been paying attention, I am doing a 15K giveaway. It will be the Gamma Prodigy bundle kit. If you guys didn't see that video, check it out on the card above. I will be giving that away just as is. We're about 200 subs away from 15K. So if you guys are watching this and you want to be in, on the giveaway. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to give it away to one of my lucky subscribers. I want you guys to comment down below, 15K giveaway. I'm going to give you guys until we hit 15K. So I would imagine that'll be 4 or 5 days. As soon as I hit 15K, I'm going to pull the random comment generator. We'll pick a comment and I will send it to you guys. And I'm going to finish up the video by telling you guys, man, it is just insane. 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. I just taught a class with Get Beamed, who's somebody I always looked up to. Getting to teach for Tune 45 on the Academy and in person, just absolutely insane. I want you guys to know that these goals that I had were really kind of the top end of what I ever thought I'd be able to do. I never really imagined I would teach a class that big or with Tune 45 or be on the Academy. Those were all things I thought would be cool. 15,000 subscribers, and guys, we're here. So I just want to tell you guys that. I want to motivate you guys. I say this all the time, but I am from a small town in Kentucky. Nothing going on here, nothing exciting. The cards are kind of stacked up against me, but I want you guys to know, no matter who you are or where you're at, it is possible for you guys to achieve these type of goals. And I'm proof of that, guys. So we're gonna keep pushing. My next goal is 25K, then 50, then 100. And I never would have thought that was possible, but I definitely feel like we're on the road, and I'm going to keep at it, guys. And I hope you guys come along with me, and we'll get there together. So I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. Again, if you guys aren't subscribed, I really appreciate it if you subscribe. I know a lot of people don't really use YouTube how it's supposed to be used. You guys subscribe, you check your little list of subscriptions every day. That keeps you up with the content. So if you guys don't do it that way, please hit that subscribe button. Add some people you enjoy watching to your subscriptions. And when you guys get on YouTube, you'll be able to go to your subscription page and keep up with all the content that you guys like to watch. If you guys like this video, hit me a thumbs up, please. Make sure you comment 15K giveaway if you want to win the Gamer Protege bundle kit. Stay tuned for some more content, guys. I do have a couple cool videos coming out that I think you guys will enjoy, and I'll catch you guys next time.